Hello, this is Vicki Leroy with Modern Jewelry Creators. Thank you for selecting this video and joining me today. This is actually going to be a pretty short one. This is the end of the day. I've been filming all day, so I apologize if it's a little dark. We're kind of losing light here. But I taught an online class today, the Crystal Riviera weave necklace that I'm making. And so I just want to make a quick video to share that the rest of the kits are now available on our website, and I've updated it with the new colors, and I'm going to share those with you here in just a second. But so the kit is available to make as shown in silver or gold, lots of colors, $38, and it of course includes the full style sheet that has all the step-by-step photos and instructions. You can add on the tutorial video. You can add on the class, the video class, for another $15. So it's very inexpensive. You can get the whole shebang for like $55. And or you can, if you have the materials, the crystals and things of your own, you can choose to just download the instruction sheet on its own. Or do the instruction sheet and the video on their own. So lots of options that I will link them down below because it's a stunning, gorgeous piece that I just really love. And so she's really beautiful. It's I don't know about it, advanced, definitely intermediate. It's a tricky piece. There's a lot of techniques, and I almost always have students that struggle with it a little bit. And so I definitely recommend the video. It can really help with all there's the weaving, and then we do the cone finish and the wire wrap, but it's this part that can be a little challenging. But this is one of the beautiful colors she's available in. And then this is the one I made today in the magic blue and gold, and this one looks a little shorter because it is. Yours will be a full one like this, but it's because I made this in class and then I used it as the example in my tutorial, so I had to make it a little shorter too. So, but they can be up to 22 inches. So I think it's a great length and just the kind of right, perfect amount of bling, and sparkle. Very wearable, but still really impactful. I just think it's a good, beautiful, classic necklace to wear. Okay, so what I'm going to do is tip the camera down to show you the colors that are available in. Some are just available in silver, some just in gold, and then some in both. And I will share those with you really quick. I did a separate video when I made the original palettes for class a couple weeks ago, but these are the color kits that are now on the website and available for everybody. So I'm going to tip the camera down just for a second. We're going to go for a little ride. We're going to look at some pretty colors. And again, if you have crystals at home that'll work, this is an 8 and a 6 millimeter rondelle. Then we also have the beading chain, separately, like by the foot, and there's the 2 millimeter cording crimps you have to have for it. That's definitely important. Okay, so silver. This is the sapphire blue, and the opal, that is the sample that's right here. And I also made like little 3-inch samples, actually woven with each color story, and those photos are on the website as well. So there's the sapphire blue and the opal, and then you can also do the sapphire blue and gunmetal. Look at how pretty that is. Just gorgeous. So if you want a little darker look, a little subtle. Oh, yum. So pretty. Here's a little blushy pink and rose. She's very, very pretty. This is a little smoke. We're calling it smoke. It's a half metallic and opal that I just really a neutral, beautiful color story. She's available in silver. And then this is the Montana blue and magic blue. So that's the sample I showed you, the shorter one that I did today, but it's also available in silver. I made it in gold, but you could do it in silver as well. So that one's available in silver, in gold too, and so is the blushy one. So these are available in gold, as well as the green sample I showed you. So this, whoops, is the champagne and olive green. That's that one. So gorgeous. So even though it's an olive green, or it's really magic green, so it's really very subtle. I think it's super neutral. Very pretty. There is a champagne and an ivory. Let me back these up. It's in gold. This is so stunning. Such a gorgeous color for summertime. And then this topaz and honey color too, for just a beautiful kind of neutral, you know, yummy, warm tone. So, so pretty. So there are your color stories. Like I said, they're also pictured on the website. I'm going to tip you back up to look at me. And so there are little sample pictures of them online. And I love this piece. Like I said, little challenging, just lots of steps. That's all. So I really recommend, you know, adding on the video if you want to. Did I already say this? Kit's $38. You can add on the video for only $15 more or something. You get the whole shebang for $55. So all the materials to make the piece as shown, the complete, you know, step-by-step, the style sheet with step-by-step photos, and then also the class, the video class forever, you know, to take it as often as you want. And, you know, what's great about the videos, you can pause it and rewind it, and which is really helpful when doing this kind of weave. Or you can do the style sheet download and video download separately as well, you know, if you have materials that'll work. So all kinds of options to make this stunning piece. The color stories I just showed you that are up on the website, there is a limited quantity, like there's only 2 of one and 4 of another, and so depending on when you're watching this, those colors might not be available. The kit itself might not be available. Our kits are only up, you know, for till they're sold out, for a few months at a time, normally maximum. But she's a gorgeous piece. Just lovely. So that is all I have to share with you now. I'm working on new palettes for the rest of spring and summer, and I have 2 new estate sales coming up. So lots of exciting pieces and sales coming to share with you soon. So please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and leave a comment down below and say hello. I always appreciate that. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Mwah! Peace.